You are going to love the 2017 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, door courtesy lights. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.